Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, consider the following functions. Fx is equal to 1 where mod x less than equal to 1 and 0 where mod x greater than 1, and gx is equal to 1 for mod x less than equal to 2 and 2 for mod x greater than 2. Define h1x is equal to f of gx and h2x is equal to g of fx. Which of the following statements is correct? So, we have been provided with the functions fx and gx, and we have been given that h1x is equal to f of gx and h2x is equal to g of fx. So, h1x is equal to f of 1 for mod x less than equal to 2 and f of 2 for mod x greater than 2. That is 1 for mod x less than equal to 2 and 0 for mod x greater than 2. And h2x is equal to g of 1 for mod x less than equal to 1 and g of 2 for mod x greater than 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore, h2 is continuous everywhere and h1 is discontinuous at plus minus 2. So the correct option is option C. h2 is continuous everywhere and h1 has discontinuity at plus minus 2. The next question is, the sum of the infinite series 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 squared plus 10 by 3 cubed and plus 14 by 3 to the power 4 and so on is. So now this can be written as, this series can be written as 1 plus summation I is equal to 1 up to infinity 2 plus I minus 1 into 4 by 3 to the power I. So this is 1 plus summation I going from 1 to infinity 2 by 3 to the power I plus 4 summation I minus 1 by 3 to the power I, where I ranges from 1 to infinity. So this can be further expanded to 1 plus summation I is equal to 1 infinity 2 by 3 to the power I plus 4 summation 1 by 3 to the power I or rather plus 4 summation I by 3 to the power I minus 4 by summation 1 by 3 to the power I. Now 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 squared plus 3 by 3 cubed plus 4 by 3 to the power 4 can be written as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 squared plus 1 by 3 squared plus 1 by 3 cubed and so on. So this summation gives us 3 by 4. Therefore, this thing on simplification becomes 1 plus 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 3. So the correct option is option B.